Kameme TV.
Yokia geithi mwiroreri wa Kameme TV haria hothe uranyamukira uri miaraho ya umuthi ni mahinda mangi mega maria turanyitanira nawe thiini wa mohoro gitau tumenya ni mariko marakunuka icigo ngurani cia bururi gikunyita ugeni gitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani mwathiri na njira ya ciiko ni wagaki wa Muthoni. Na tukwambiriria na maumirira ma kigeranio gya KCSE maria marekererio ndagika nini na ni ati namba ya arutwo aria megwateire grade ya kuingira university mwaka uyu ni yabatirite kuma arutwo 173,345 aria megwateire grade ya C+ kigeranio gya KCSE kia mwaka muhituku kinyagia arutwo 2,133 mwaka uyu. Arutwo 1,216 niyo megwateire grade ya A haria ya 899 kuma thukuru cia gikiro kia national. Arutwo 172 kuma makigwatira A kuma thukuru cia extra county. Arutwo 143 kuma thukuru cia andu kiumbe, 5 kuma thukuru cia county na arutwo 7 kuma thukuru cia county. Leke tuone ripoti ino.
There were 1,216 candidates, which is 0.14%, who obtained an overall grade A in the year 2023, compared to 1,146,000, which was 0.13% of the candidates in the previous year, that is 2022. The number of candidates who attained the minimum university entry qualification this year, C+ and above, was 201,133, which was 22.27% in the year 2023, compared to 173,345, which was 19.62% in the year 2022. This is as a result of the application of the new grading system that reduced the number of compulsory subjects required to compute the mean grade. The number of candidates attaining a pass grade D+ and above was 526,222, which is 58.27% in the year 2023, compared to 522,588, which was 59.14% in the year 2022. The national schools produced the highest number of candidates with an overall mean grade of A, where we had 889 A's from national schools, which was 2.486%, followed by county schools, 172 A's, which was 0.096%. Private schools, we had 143, which was 0.221%. County schools, we had 5, which was 0.004%. And the sub-county, and I would like to give an emphasis this, these are day schools which had 7 A's, and which was 0.001%. Overall, I'm improved by the quality of grades that are coming out of our day schools that produced 283 candidates with a mean grade of A and minor and A minor in the 2023 KCSE examination.
Na tulio riboti-inĩ cikuruhaine kana ciegemaine na maumĩrĩra ma kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE nĩ atĩ makĩria ma arutwo 4,000 nĩo marekuruhanirie na wĩici wa kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE kĩa mwaka wa 2023. Minista wa gĩthomo Ezekiel Machogu akiuga maumĩrĩra ma arutwo ana nĩ marĩkĩtie gũkanjwo. Machogu nĩ ongereire kuga atĩ maumĩrĩra ma ũthuthuria wa ciĩko cia wĩici wa kĩgeranio nĩ ũgũkorwo rĩkĩrĩire thĩinĩ wa thikũ 20 ciũkĩte, rwakĩruta mũkana kũrĩ arutani arĩa maranyita itemi gũteithĩrĩria arutwo kũiya kĩgeranio.
There were a total of 4,113 candidates who were reported to have been involved in examination irregularities in the year 2023 KCSE examination. Of this, we have cancelled results of 4 cases of reported impersonation after completing investigations. The results of the remaining 4,109 candidates who were suspected to have engaged in examination irregularities have also been withheld pending the completion of investigations in their cases within a period of 20 days from today. The Council is empowered in law as provided in the Kenya National Examination Council handling of examination irregularities, rules of 2015, Legal Notice number 132 of 2015, Rule 8 to withhold the results of any candidate or examination center suspected to have been involved in an examination irregularity or malpractice pending the completion of investigations. It is unfortunate that a few contracted professionals are still insistent on ruining the future of our runners by subjecting them to examination malpractices. 120 contracted professionals were reported to have been involved in heading examination malpractices. Firm disciplinary action will be taken against such teachers. I also wish to notify the country that the ministry has now set up the National Examination Appeals Tribunal. My chairman and the members of the Education Committee will remember that we had an engagement in this and undertook to ensure that we exert the members, which we have done in line with Section 40B2 of the NEC.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati thirikari ni irekereirie muigana wa ciringi bilioni 31.3 cia mathukuru ma muthingi na junior secondary na secondary muthenya umwe mbere ya thukuru hinguritwo tamu ya mbere ya mwaka uyu. Kuringana na Minister wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogu, thukuru cia muthingi kwamukira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 4.74, junior secondary ciamukire bilioni 7.6, igeranio na marihi ma rugamiriri a igeranio mamukire bilioni 2.8, nacio secondary ciamukire muigana wa ciringi bilioni 16.12.
The release of 31.34 billion to primary, junior and secondary schools. To purchase the President's commitment, the provision of the free running program in the primary school level and the free tuition learning program at the junior and the secondary school levels, the National Treasury released Kenya shillings that 1.34 billion to support learners enrolled in the subsector. These funds have effectively cleared the way for a smooth opening of schools for the first term of the 2024 calendar year countrywide as effective from today. This disbursement was distributed as follows: free primary education, 4.74 billion. Capitation for junior schools, 7.60 billion. And I'm also happy that His Excellency and the government gave out examination and invigilation fees, 2.80 billion, and like before, where those who worked in invigilators and the rest used to wait for almost a year, today we're actually completing each and every payment. There will be nothing pending. Secondary schools, government has given out 16.20 billion, making the total 31.34 billion. I did have an engagement that was last week on a Tuesday between my peers, the CS National Treasury and the PS National Treasury, and the money was released to us on Wednesday. We have dispersed this money to all the schools, and I'm sure that the money must by now be in the respective accounts of the schools, may it be primary, junior school, or secondary schools.
Kũngĩ nakuo nĩ atĩ kamĩtĩ ya kwandĩka arutani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ TSC nĩ ĩtanyĩtwo kwambatĩria ngathĩ arutani 36,000 gũkũ mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kamĩtĩ ĩno Nancy Macharia ningĩ akiuga nĩ makorwo makĩandĩka arutani makĩria 20,000 mwaka-inĩ ũkĩte wa kĩgĩna gĩa thirikari.
The Commission, in the recognition of the good work that our teachers do, has been funded and is in the process of promoting 36 teachers to the different grades, right from grade C2 to D5 this financial year. Of these vacancies, 17,914 will be filled by primary school teachers, while 18,591 belong to post-primary teachers. Interviews for primary schools were were conducted in December, and the ones for post-primary are still ongoing. And we are asking that all teachers who applied then appear for this interview so that they can be considered for promotion.
This morning, I had an exceptional engagement with His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto as a prelude to this event, during which I will be releasing the 2023 Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education Examination Results. Our lengthy conversation also attended by my senior education sector leaders who are together with me here, focused on the broad, deliberate, and robust reforms that our country is so ably rolling out in the face of a challenging economic environment. One of the discussions was on teacher employment, and my chairman is here. His Excellency made it clear that in the next financial year.
Na tulio maundu-ini ma kigeranio ni ati thutha wa Minister wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogu kurekereria maumirira ma kigeranio gia KCSE ma mwaka uyu gakana gia mwaka muhituku, thukuru ngurani kaunti-ini ya Mombasa no ithiete na mbere na kwamukira maumirira mega. Mwandiki witu Ndegwa wa Gathungu ni akinyitie thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed kuria arutwo mugwanja mandikithitie grade ya A. Reke tunyitanire na Ndegwa wa Gathungu tuigue ici makiria.
I feel very lucky to have done well in the KCSE examinations. I would like to first thank God, my parents, all my teachers, and also like to thank the government for the new grading system. It has really helped to boost all of us, and yeah. I feel very happy. I'm overjoyed. I didn't expect it so quickly, but yeah, alhamdulillah.
He's being humble. He's being humble.
My hardest subject was my languages, as always. I've been very good in my sciences and mathematics. Languages was a really tough challenge for me, but thank God for my English teacher, Mr. Mashigadi over here, and Mr. Richard every time mentoring us. I'd like to thank God. Yeah. Most likely law. I'd like to take the footstep of my father. Yes. BD. But also I'd like to advocate. You should also do extracurricular activities. Not many students take part in the extracurricular activities. Like over here, I used to take part in swimming and like Young Scientist Kenya with Mr. Karis over here, swimming with Mr. Hamoud. Yes. Thank you very much.
Nafikiri ni jambo ambalo kwamba hapa linajitokeza kiwazi kabisa, ni kuwa unaweza kuwa mtoto wa mtu mashuhuri na baba akawa ni governor na bado mtoto akabobea na akafanya bidii na akawa na discipline. Nafikiri hii inazungumza kuhusu familia hii kwa nini loudly, yani kwa sababu wa expect watoto labda politician ama governor atakuwa kwa ni wale watoto wameharibika, hawajali masomo, lakini leo tuna mtoto ambaye kwamba ni wa politician na si politician tu bali ni governor county nzima ya Lamu na ameweza kubobea akapata matokeo kama haya. Nafikiri hii yazungumza.
Na tukiuma kaunti-ini ya Mombasa tuigire kaunti-ini ya Naikuru kurio nakuo mashukuru matiganite no mathiete na mbere na kwamukira maumirira mega na ihinda riri rira tunyitanire na mwandiki witu wa Njeri wa Kariuki uria nake wikinyitie cukuru-ini wa Nesta uria gicigi-ini bunge kia Bahati kaunti-ini ya Naikuru kuria murutwo wa mbere harari na A ya point 84 wa Njeri mwaro ni waku. Rathie Naikuru tunyitanire na Wanjeri wa Kariuki no mbere yo turaririria ciegie maumirira ma kigeranio gia KCSE na ndiui we hari uri mwana waku kana mundu uwe mushukuru yaku uthomithagia we mwarimu kana we muciari kundu uthomithagia ikite atia na muramukira maumirira maya na njira iriku. Namenyithio he kamwana gegwitwo Samuel Maina Kareithi kuma na Nyuki High kena minors kara hitukire kuria na Nyuki High kwaone kuria mwena wa Shingo Thaya na ni mwena wa ciamani wa PCA Sociane kuria Kayole. Asanti sana mundu ugwitwo Maina ni undu wa ndumiriri iyo. Tugicokereria tuthe Wanjeri wa Kariuki nake tumenyithie guhana atia tukomba gutigana nake no tugucoka Naikuru kwa ihinda riri muhei mwerekera etagwo Poli maritwa mamwe tutihotaga gutamuka wega waihota kuigua ngiongerera arandu ha L Na tugitigana icio tu cia githomo twambe tuigirire maundu megie njohi hanini tuthio kuria kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua niguo nakuo tuone haro ya kuhurana na njohi cia ibango irathie na njira ihana atena ni ati mieri 3 kuma munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi wa Gachagua aruguria mubango wa kuhitana na unyui wa njohi na dawa cia kurebia riu ikinya riri ni rithiete na mbere na kunyitwo baru ni kanitha na ikundi iganite guku guteithiriria thirikari makiria matura-ini kuhukia njohi ici. Wodini ya Gathara kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua gikundi kimwe kia andu ethi kia Patience Manga Foundation gikoretwo gikinyitanira na ikundi ingi matura-ini hamwe na kanitha-ini gutara andu ethi bata wa gwithema na unyui wa njohi o undu na uhuthiri wa dawa cia drugs maritwa rimwe ni moraga na uria mangigiteithia na guthoma kothi cia moko.
Mubango wa thirikari wa kuhitana na unyui wa njohi na dawa cia kurebia utari na kihariro gatagati-ini ka mbeũ njĩthĩ nĩ wĩkĩrĩirwo thing'a nĩ ikundi itarĩ cia gĩthirikari matũra-inĩ. Mwena wa injinia kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua makiri ma andu ni maragomanite kwamukira motaro kuma kuri gikundi kia Patience Manga Foundation kiria gikoretwo gikinyitanira na kanitha na ikundi ingi gutara ayuthi njira cia gwithemana na unyui wa njohi na dawa cia kurebia.
Twina mshamanio umuthi wa kuhamasisha andu uhoro wigie dawa cia kurebia no kugeria kwariria ayuthi aria aingi itu marikite mutondo-ini wa dawa cia kurebia oho tunyitanire na John Corona HSC muthenya wa umuthi
korwo congregatete yuthi ya kuma guku moke tukorwo tukimahe sensitization ya uru wa uhuthiri wa drugs na dawa cia kurebia tukimoragia ati dawa icio gutire hindi ingikorwo mathondekera miturire yao.
MCA wa kwamurwo Nyandarua Patience Nyambura Manga augite thengia wa kumatara ni maramathomithia kothi tiganite cia moko niguo merogamie miturire-ini yao.
Augire maranyua njohi ni ndu wa kwaga mawira koguo ithu turamabundithia catering nigetha magia na wira wa kuruta maumira guku kambi makaruga kahua makaruga mandathi makendia makagia ciringi muhuko makona wira wa kuruta. Manga ni oritie thirikari gutigirira mbeũ njĩthĩ acio nio magunika na mieke ya mbere ya mawira mubango-ini wa thirikari wa gwaka nyumba cia raithi mwena ucio ritana riria rinyititwo baru ni atongoria a mbeũ njĩthĩ mwena ucio. Na bado kwina affordable houses cirako thaa ici ni tu advocate na turauga tutikwenda kurutirwo ayuthi kuma matura maria mangi Nairobi rari na kuria kungi ithu turaugira yuthi ya Nyandarua mathie morie wira hau na ni mekuheo. Atongoria a kanitha ni meranĩire guthie na mbere na kunyitanira na ikundi ingi itari cia githirikari gutara mbeũ njĩthĩ. Oho ni moretie thirikari gutacukiria endia a njohi cibango makinya ma kiwatho.
Hold seminars na crusades ona gukorwo tukiaraniria nao mundu kwa mundu na nigetha tutigirire makinya maria mothe thirikari iroya ni yanyitanira na kanitha.
Marendia dawa cia kurebia guku na njohi titikirikite kona moto kura ikinya ria kiwatho niguo wega na nigetha tukorwo na ciana cirarerwo thiini wa society. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Waithira wa Mwangi.
Mundu augire arume makona kawathe ga gutungatira maundu meriri itarimwe na githungu ni multitasking ati ungimwariria mwena uyu ungi no nginya maundu marithuka riu nikio raigua nginya ritwa dawa cia kurebia ni irariganira no hau niho tugwikirira gaturumo mohoro gitau miaraho ya umuthi ngatho cia mwanya nĩũndũ wa gũkorwo cagũrĩte Kameme TV mũthĩgi wa rũrĩrĩ. Njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani mwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko auma wagaki wa Muthoni ũgĩe na mĩaraho na mĩarahũko mĩega. Ngai akũrathime.
Kameme TV mũthĩgi wa rũrĩrĩ.